Right then, hello and welcome to a new episode. So, as you can see, I'm not in the car, I'm not doing the normal intro, and I'm certainly not doing the intro at Starbucks because I've quit Starbucks. It's been nearly 3 weeks. Obviously, some footage that you've seen at me at Starbucks because it was old footage. So today's episode, we're heading towards Sheffield. God, my fingers are gonna fall off. One of the locations is really good. Most of the locations were fails. I got caught several times. I got caught by two chaps who kind of tried to be like very powerful. Delete your footage, I'm gonna take your phone off you, all that nonsense. But it was worked out okay. They weren't that bad really, to be fair. And we found some really cool cars. Now the first location that you're gonna see now, and then you're obviously gonna see the rest of the locations on Sunday, but the first location you're gonna see, again with most of the locations I go to, they're kind of a bit ropey, a bit dodgy, do you know what I mean? So this one is a little bit ropey and I couldn't stay there for too long, but I did record what I needed to record. So again, it's gonna be kind of a short video, depending on how I edited it. So I hope you enjoy this episode. It's not the longest, it's not the greatest, but I'm just working with what I've got. So sit back, I'll put the kettle on first, sit back and enjoy, and I'll see you there. Oh, it's cold. So we've just driven. Oh my god, why is it when you sat at home on your arse like 2-3 hours just fly by? When you're driving, it's torture, and especially when the heating doesn't work. I'll tell you something, ladies and gents, I am absolutely freezing. I kid you not, I am freezing. I got frostbite on my toes, I kid you not. I left my boots outside yesterday, obviously got them in this morning, and they were frozen. I kid you not, they were frozen. So I had to put frozen boots on. Right then, we're on the first location, ladies and gents. Thing is though, we're in the middle of nowhere and there's a lot of like horses and like silhouettes of all sorts. So I don't know if it's going to be a human standing there looking at me or something else. So we've got to be careful. First vehicle. Old trooper. Gotta love a trooper. I don't know if I'm going in the right direction. There's a lot of old tyres and doors and things, so hopefully we're going in the right direction. What we will do though is keep the camera down just in case we see people. Second vehicle we found is a trike. That's something you don't normally see in the bushes, a trike. Old Yamaha. She's certainly been here a long time. Certainly been here a long time. So I don't like the fact that we found a trike in the bushes because it just feels like it's a bit of a dodgy area. But we keep looking, we keep having the bushes. Not too sure I've seen one of those before, but she's certainly seen better days. Let me know what that is, ladies and gents, because I don't think I've ever seen one before like that. It's a bit of a strange one. Oh, it's a Dodge, so it's an American RV.
Your destination is on the left.
Thank you. Yeah, it's an American RV, so this is a strange one to find. No wonder I haven't seen it before. What a setting though, eh? What a setting to find some finds. Let's keep looking. I'm not too sure, but I think the person still lives here. Another shell of an MG here. Certainly been here a long time. I love that green though, that's nice green that is. She's been here a very long time. Another shell of an MG. Bit of an MG graveyard this is. Yeah, BGT. So this area is a bust again, ladies and gents. I thought it was an abandoned, well not abandoned, but an area where cars were dumped, but it's not. It's actually lived in. So I don't want to venture any further, so we're going to keep going. But I'll have a quick look at this trike while we're here. It's a shame that it's been, well, I say it's a shame, it's not really, it's just an old bog that someone was building and they've, you know, it's ceased being anything other than a field farming now. Somebody's, oh, it's actually been in a fire, look. See the tyre all burned and it's all melted, it's all got hot, all the metal's all been tarnished with the heat, so this was obviously set ablaze at some point. Got the old Black Widow on the front. So as I was recording the bike, a car came up and the chap told me to kindly get off his land, so we will do so. Let's keep going. So we're now on the second location, and it's a proper location, but also again with every location extremely dodgy. Right, then let's start looking before we get caught. Range Rover straight away. Absolutely beautiful colour. Oh, it's a two-door too. No way. That's a stunning colour. What a shame. Got a Austin Maestro there. Loads of bloody Rovers. He likes his Rovers. Wow. Look at that there, look. SD1. Oh, look at all the Rovers. Wow. Oh, look at this Nissan, ladies and gents. Well, that's definitely different. That's certainly different. 200 SX, she's not fared well really, has she? Not at all. There's plenty of Rovers here. A little Metro LS. Sorry if the camera's shaking, ladies and gents, it's unbelievably cold. Oh, what a shame for that little Metro. Another little Metro here. A little turbo, Citroen turbo here. Rover 820. It's got a lot of 820s here, an awful lot of 820s. Can't say sight of this one. Wow, they've been here a long time. Look at these Austin Montegos. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 estate Austin Montegos. Oh, ladies and gents, we've only gone to found a Mark 1 Ford Fiesta. What a shame. You don't see these at all on the road anymore, and you've got like 4 of them here. It's absolutely unreal. This is more unreal though. It's a little Ford Fiesta. And considering Fords are killing the Fiesta, it's a bloody shame to see this one dying. Nice colour too. Now the crappy thing is all the good cars are right down towards the house. Now I don't know if anybody lives in the house, but I don't like going by, you know, places like where people live. I'd rather stay in the woods or in the fields. We just take it slowly and see what we can record. Look at that colour. No way. She's locked, but she's filled full of scrap. That's a bloody shame. That's a shame indeed. Oh my goodness, look at that SD1. She's definitely she's definitely had a hard life. I mean, this is no longer a car. Wow. 3,500. Unreal. That's dead, that is. Wow. That's madness. He likes his boats as well. There's boats everywhere. Another Rover. Again, this one I haven't seen the road in many moons. Oh, this one's a V8. Wow. She was parked there a long time ago. An old Land Rover here, series. What a shame. Is that the front end of a Mini? It is, yes, oh yeah, look, Mini. It's a fiberglass front end. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like that. Big old Iveco van. Like I say, there's a lot of Rovers here. Call them Montegos. No way. I'm so heartbroken about this Range Rover. This is what I want to buy. This is what I want, ladies and gents. As you well know. So most of the good cars are down the front. I don't really want to venture that far down though. Found 3 Lotuses. There's one Lotus there. Oh, that's not a Lotus. I don't know what these cars are. Some more cars here. Got a few Alphas. A few Alfa Romeos. We found a Jap graveyard. What have we just found? All these Nissan 200s. No way. I don't even know what I'm looking at, ladies and gents. I'm absolutely confused. Look at the rat. 200SX, 200SX, 300ZX, 200SX, another 200SX. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, they got this bloody thing here with the VSI body kit too. I'm blown away, I am. I mean, what the hell is this doing here? Right about to stay my welcome, ladies and gents. This is one amazing location. It really is, and I'm a bit nervous to be here really. Right then, let's get out of here. See if we can find something else to record. Bloody hell, that was shocking. So yeah, this is going to be the end of this video. It's a decent one as it is. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So from me, Stokesy, nothing but love and respect. Remember, don't limit yourself. Until next time, keep car hunting. Fell over the fence. Wherever that car is there, I don't know. This is just an old scrapyard, this is. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 series.